This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Install Visual Studio Code and the remote SSH extension before starting. Make sure you have a remote host IP or hostname and a user account. Generate an SSH key pair locally using SSH keygen T RSA B4096 F tilde/. SSH/ID RSA to create a secure key. Keep your private key permissions to 600 for safety. Test connectivity with SSH user at host P22 and confirm you can authenticate and open a simple shell session successfully. Copy your public key to the server using SSH copy ID user at host P22 or append the public key to tilde/. SSH/authorized keys manually. Set authorized keys permissions to 600 and the SSH directory to 700 on the server. Add a host entry in your local tilde/. SSH/config with host alias, hostname the remote host, user your user, port 22, and identity file tilde/. SSH/ID RSA for convenient connections. Test this alias by running open Visual Studio Code and run the remote SSH. Add new SSH host command. Enter the full command SSH user at host P22 or choose the host alias you added to tilde/. SSH/config. Select the SSH config file when prompted, then initiate connect to host in new window from the Remote Explorer. Accept the host fingerprint and allow VSCode to install the server components automatically. If connection fails, check firewall rules for port 22 and verify SSHD is running on the remote machine.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.